Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. So to fix that issue, come to your TikTok. So when you come to your TikTok application, you open it. Then after opening it, come to your profile over here in the right bottom corner. So when you come to your profile, come to the three lines in the right upper corner over there. Then come to settings and privacy. So when you come to settings and privacy, scroll down till you see where there is report a problem. So tap on report a problem, then wait for your application to load once again. Okay, so it's currently loading as you can see, so you need to be patient and you need to make sure that you're having a stable internet connection, or sometimes when you're using Wi-Fi it could be better. Okay, so it has finished loading, so you scroll down like this. So when you scroll down, come to the topics, then select videos and sound. So when you select videos and sound, you need to be patient so that it can load once again. Alright, so when you come to topics over here, come to this one saying others. Okay, so you tap on others. Alright, so when you tap on others, you wait for it to load once again. So as I said, this process needs patience. Okay, so if they say can't find any problem you encountered, so you just need to tap on no over here. So when you tap on no, they'll give you a prompt to get additional help. Okay, so you tap on need more help over here. So after tapping on need more help, you need to be patient for it to load once again. Okay, so when you come on need more help, come to the type where you can type in from, then type in the following problem. I can't see Capcut templates in TikTok. So after typing in this, you just submit. So after submitting, you need to be patient. It will take you like 1 day for TikTok to reply to you, or TikTok to give you a feedback basically on how you can solve this problem. Either it's at your end or it's at the TikTok end. So you need to be patient, then follow the prompts and you'll fix this problem. So what you need to know is that the information or the feedback from TikTok will come directly to your email that you linked your TikTok account to. Alright, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.